Come on then, why don't we talk about this lovely bathroom? So this is a visual of a concept design we did for the client. She had this quite unusually shaped bathroom with quite a sloping ceiling with a Velux in the shower area. And she wanted something that looked bang on trend, but also quite soft and organic. So this is the scheme we designed for her. And I'm going to show you it from a different angle. There you go. So you can see the back of the room, we've actually got this lovely shower space, and there was enough room to actually put a little seat in here, which is in the height of luxury, having a little seat in your shower. And you can see the actual shower tray is tiled, so it's a wet room scenario, which is something you always need to take into consideration. But let's talk about the products we've used, shall we? Here we go. So the background colour here is actually a tile called stucco talc. It's a 60 by 60 format matte glazed porcelain, and it's one of our favourites. It's got a really lovely soft patina to it. You can see it's almost got like a peachy blush feel, but very, very soft. And we love this tile for walls and floors because of its format, because believe it or not, if you use a large format tile in quite a small space, especially with a grout that almost matches, then it actually looks really spacious because it's not divided up by a grid, which you would have with lots of tiles, especially if you put the grout in a contrast colour. So with this particular scheme, we've used stucco talc here with the mid colour grout that you can see here. And the design team at Baked will help you pair any of the grouts you're using. So always feel free to give us a little shout if you're not sure what to go for. But we've got stucco talc being used with the fabulous Marrakesh collection. And we've got Marrakesh Brick Light, which you can see down here. This is used on the floor. It's a 5 centimetre by 15 centimetre beige matte style tile. That means it looks like or is inspired by Moroccan handmade product. And it's made of porcelain, so it doesn't need to be sealed again. Life's too short for all this sealing, honestly. The other thing you will notice when you look at this is some of the tiles are a little bit sizey. And by that, what I mean is they are not all exactly the same size. So some will be slightly bigger, some will be slightly smaller. The edges are not completely square and true. And that is completely intentional because we want to have that wonderful hand-cut organic feel that the Marrakesh range brings to this sort of setting. So you also notice the variation in colour from one tile to another within the same colour palette. It's so natural looking. Then we've also created a stripe detail that you can see here. And that is the Marrakesh Brick Light with our Marrakesh White. And the lovely thing about the Marrakesh White tile, unfortunately you can't really pick it up here very well, but there is a variation of thickness within the glaze across the base of the tile. So in certain areas you're going to see this lovely little blush of the base colour coming through. So you've got a blush of terracotta, which makes it look so organic and handmade, even though it's not. And it's one of those tiles that, less is more. It's just a beautiful product to look at. The client wanted a room that, as I mentioned, was on trend, quite organic, but they also wanted a little bit of luxe going on. So they wanted to put a tiny bit of marble, which was used as the worktop for the double basins. And they wanted to bring in some brassware that was really, really beautiful in this lovely gold tone. So you can see how well the whole scheme works together. Go back to the room. So in some instances, we specify that clients use a stripe that runs across the floor and up the wall. But in this setting, we didn't want to do that. This is a family bathroom and there is a wet room scenario. So the actual shower tray itself is tiled. And if we had taken the gloss white and the terracotta down through the floor, then there may have been a tiny slip issue when the tiles are wet. So we want to avoid that. So we've taken the Marrakesh in a linear design across the floor, and then it meets the stripe at the back, which works so well. And I mentioned the stucco talc a moment ago. You can see this large format tile doesn't look out of place on a wall here, and it's grouted in a very similar colour. And what that actually does is it makes the space look as spacious as possible, but it also is the perfect background to these wonderful organic shaped mirrors, the lighting, etc. And obviously the simplicity really highlights the brassware. So everything in this room is chosen for a reason. Yet when you walk into the space, it feels very relaxed and just a very nice place to actually chill in.